You want to talk about Elon, Will?
Yeah, let's go.
That's what you got going on?
Have you been on Twitter lately?
No. No.
Wow. Okay. Well, do you see anything different here?
Check mark. Oh, Doge. Goofing around. The Doge. Is now there's no bird. Now it's a Doge.
It's a Doge.
Oh, I see. Okay. Dogecoin soars after Twitter replaces its blue bird logo with the token's dog. In the past, Twitter CEO Elon Musk has shown himself to be a fan of the meme coin. Yes, I know about your meme coin. This was actually a thing, I think, that was not threatened, but like teased a long time ago. Am I crazy about that?
Yeah, we have the tweet here.
Yeah, we have the tweet. Is a new platform needed on March 26th?
This was, I guess,
what year?
Years ago.
Years ago. March 26th, years ago.
Yeah.
And then Wall Street Bets chairman Twitter handle says, just buy Twitter already. And change the bird logo to a Doge. And Elon goes, ha ha. That's my, did you?
Yeah. That's exactly how he sounds.
That'd be sick. That'd be sick.
That would sick.
That'd be sick. I know that. I know he wrote that would sick, but he, that'd be sick. Anyway, and so then here we are years later, and people are still doging. They're still doging the Doge. I honestly kind of forgot about all of it, particularly the coin. And obviously, everyone hasn't. Some people want to relive those days.
It's still hanging in there.
Doge Days. Well, I mean, now it is, because everyone was looking for a sign of life, and then Elon comes with the change, and then people are like, well, wait, if he changes the Twitter, they're doing that math, sacred pyramid type math. They're like, if things are flying.
Calculations, yeah.
If he starts by changing the Twitter logo, does that mean it will become the official currency of the future world social media platforms, and therefore into the meta spaces of the verses and the headsets, and the Doge is back? Yeah,
well put.
I don't know if it means all that much, because to Elon it always seemed a hell of a lot more like a funny troll that he got a kick out of than anything else. But here we have a meme being posted. That's an old photo, implying that the Twitter tweeting bird. But then why not just change the whole name? Because Twitter tweeting the tweet of a bird. There's some missed connections here now.
I really do wonder how long it's going to stay, the logo.
Or you think it's a joke?
It's got to be, right?
You're not trading all of your ETH for Doge right now.
No.
You're not transacting.
I don't think it's going to stick.
Okay.
Like the logo here.
Will he do?
Twitter.
Is that your official financial advice for DraftKings? Is that your DraftKings prediction?
No. Nothing on Doge.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, he did it anyway. He you know what? One of the things is constantly. He likes this. He has this novel thing of like plaid, or like you can make your Tesla fart, or it's this kind of goofy. And that's what that strikes me as. That's just a goof. That's my best guess as well. So that's my DraftKings prediction.